there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How do animals completely rebuild their own bodies? Welcome to the science of metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a biological process where an animal undergoes an extreme, rapid physical transformation after birth. In the insect world, there are two distinct evolutionary paths: complete and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis features 4 totally different life stages. Almost 90% of all insects use this method. It begins at stage 1, the egg. The adult insect lays its eggs directly onto a vital food source. Stage 2 is the larva. This stage is biologically engineered to do absolutely nothing but eat and grow. Stage 3 is the pupa. The larva safely locks itself into a protective outer shell, like a butterfly's chrysalis. Inside, special enzymes are released, completely dissolving its old body into a nutrient-rich biological soup. Special cell clusters called Imaginal Discs survive the soup, rapidly using the nutrients to build brand new adult body parts. Stage 4 is the adult. The mature insect emerges, ready to fly, migrate, and reproduce. But what about incomplete metamorphosis? This faster biological process has only 3 distinct stages. After the egg hatches, a nymph emerges. It looks very much like a miniature adult, but lacks functional wings. Because its hard exoskeleton cannot stretch, the growing nymph must repeatedly molt, physically shedding its old outer shell. After its final molt, it becomes a fully mature adult, finally developing large wings for flight. It isn't just insects. Amphibians like frogs also undergo metamorphosis, completely transforming from water breathers to land dwellers. Remember, complete metamorphosis has 4 stages with a pupa. Incomplete metamorphosis has 3 with a nymph, but both create amazing adults. Nature is the ultimate master of reinvention. Stay curious and grow your brilliance. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.